What happens if you get arrested in Gorilla Tag? And no, I don't mean arrested like banned. Like, I mean, like you have jangles on them. Like police things that you wear on your arms, like this. Show a picture, whatever. I'm gonna play with those things today in this video. What is up, my guy? What is up, guys? It's me, Bobby the Gorilla. Bobby the Gorilla. I don't know why I always say that whole name. I should just say Bobby. But today we're actually going to be playing with those things that you wear on your arms if you ever get arrested. That I still can't name. And I actually have a toy, so I can take them off without keys. I'm gonna put them on while I'm playing Gorilla Tag. Because it's gonna be hard. Okay, let me just try to put them on real quick. One's on. Okay. Now it's second. Oh god. Ugh. Okay. Ah. Oh, that actually hurts my arms. I can't. Okay, we're gonna play some games, which equals that I'm gonna be playing in the forest. I like that my other arm follows wherever I point. I'm going to play out there on infection. Okay, and we're gonna see how that goes. Now I want you to start a counter of me saying ouch because of these. Like, let's make our weight. Ah!
Not teaching anyone, I'm sorry.
I mean,
Get this guy.
Your name is Coach.
I'm funny.
Okay.
Go back to baseball.
Okay.
Wait, can I?
Yeah.
Ah!
Wait, yellow.
Ah! Oh, that hurts. What the fuck did he go? Where's he?
Hello, hat.
Where is he?
You fucking. You fucked
So
up.
Captain. No! Okay. Oh wait, let me try to.
No. That was awesome.
Ah!
I need to calm down, boy.
Okay, yes. Oh, okay. It's time for the big time, guys. Let's see.
Bro, I think
Please tell me. Whew.
Oh, shit.
Guys, I'm going.
Okay, let's see how long I can make it. Timer start now.
Guys, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. Stop.
Shit. I'm too bad to do this shit. Just get away from me. How the fuck do you roll right?
Oh my.
Ooh.
Jump!
I can't even
Please.
get this one. Whoever he is.
Jump!
Okay? Don't even.
Jump
He's like
in
the
there.
best one in the lot. No doubt. Don't do that. Hey, look. Let's talk about this. If you tag me, you're gay, alright? Oh, shit. Yeah, alright. That's good. I'm so mad.
No! Oh, my back hurts so badly.
Can't do that. Look. What the hell is the blue monkey doing? What?
Okay.
Hold up,
I'm still alive.
Can
Still good.
Wait. Okay, no, I can't.
Okay, we're good. We're good. We're
Oh,
good. Stay away from them. Oh shit, how do I?
No!
Oh shit. Oh please. I'm in handcuffs. I'm in handcuffs.
Okay.
I'm in handcuffs.
Tag you then. Hey, I'm gonna tag you then.
Oh,
No, I'm not gonna
oh,
tag
he's a nice monkey. Okay.
I'm not gonna tag you. I just want to.
Oh, thank you. Oh god. Nope. That's a lie. That's a lie.
Alright, look. How about if you're not tagged, you're gay?
Come on. No! Please, I'm in handcuffs. Oh my back. Okay, I've made it far enough. Maybe I could be the last one. First monkey in handcuffs. Oh. Okay.
I'm so lucky.
I'm deleting this shit.
No!
gang.
No! He's gonna tag me. He's gonna get Oh! I'm doing a challenge. I'm a YouTuber, bro.
Cry, baby.
Shogun?
Wait a second, Bobby.
Fast, cunt.
Shogun? Is that you? What the fuck?
Hello.
What the?
You been, bro?
What? Bro, how did I meet you? I'm in handcuffs right now. I'm doing a YouTube
Hey,
channel.
follow me.
I mean, a YouTube challenge. I'm literally stuck in handcuffs right now. Oh god. I did something bad. Oh god. Oh my god. No, I can't jump. Okay, no. Oh god. He's gonna get me, please. No. Oh, please don't tag me. I have handcuffs on. Oh, no. I'm not here. I'm not here. I'm in handcuffs. Please.
Bobby.
Oh, my arms hurt. Look at this.
I'm lighting it on fire.
Bro, look at this. I'm in handcuffs right now.
Yeah.
Oh, my arms.
You boy, lad.
Wait.
Fucking sitting in your stick, you know.
Ah, that hurts. They hurt so bad, bro. How did I meet you in a public game, bro? How did I meet you?
I met another one of my friends on TikTok. Public.
Bro, how did I meet you? I mean, this is okay. I'm taking these off. It's too hard.
Just give me up on the shepherds.
Yeah, no, I'm gone for this challenge, bro.
Hey, tag me.
Oh my arms. Okay.
I got one arm.
No. Okay, that's fine now. Oh, I need that, bro. I know someone it seems
Hey, calm down. I'm sorry, but you're in a clip. You're in a clip. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Hey, go ahead. You heard that?
Okay, I'm getting
Hear that? You hear that? Huh? You're in.
It is in public. Okay. Okay. Yeah, no, I can't do it right here. I'm gonna have to get it somewhere. Alright, so. Okay,
Oh, he's already there.
alright.
I might buy these.
Wait, 1 second.
Oh, see, look, it's sounds like that.
Okay.
Last person to go to the pet.
Alright, I'm sorry about that. My sister was banging on the door. Alright. So thank you guys so much for watching this video right here, right now. That's one of my worst ideas, to be playing in handcuffs. Because you don't understand, I had to play like this. It was so hard. Like, tape your freaking hands together and try to play like a VR game like this, like Gorilla Tag. Like, just try it, okay? I want to see you try it. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you as always.
It's the new coming soon stuff.
As always, in the next one. Wait. Okay. As always, in the next one.